What's up, YouTube friends? So the Easter Bunny will be here in a few weeks. So today we're going to whip up these cute little Easter egg treat bags. These are super easy to put together and very versatile. The things you're going to need to make one of these treat bags are some felt. Today I'll be using the glitter felt. I got this off of Amazon and I will link everything down below. And this just happens to be that tighter weave kind of flat felt, but you could just use regular felt also. You're going to need a little piece of tulle. I got a multi-pack off of Amazon and I color coordinated my tulle and my ribbon to my glitter felt. But if you just had some white tulle, go ahead and just use that. I really don't think it makes a difference on the end product. You're also going to need some sort of ribbon. This is 3/8 satin ribbon. I have a 12-inch piece and an 8-inch piece. Today I'll be using my hot glue gun, but if you're going to make these with younger kids, you could just use Fabri-Tac or some tacky glue. That'll work fine. And if I had more time, I thought it would look super cute just to do a blanket stitch around the edge instead of sewing it. That's also an option. You're also going to need the egg template. I'll provide that down below. And some candy to fill these up. Now the first thing I did was cut this out on my Cricut. You don't have to use your Cricut. You could cut these out by hand. But I used the bonded fabric setting on my Cricut Air Explorer 2 and it cut this out just fine. So these couldn't be any easier. So the first thing I'm going to do is take my little cracked egg piece. I'm going to run some hot glue around the edge. I'm just going to lay my tulle right on top. And then I have this little silicone mat just so I don't burn my fingers. And I'm going to make sure that this is nice and flat. That just gets my hot glue nice and flat. When that dries, I'm just going to take my scissors and cut around the tulle. Then I'm just going to take my other egg piece and I'm going to measure down 1 inch from the top. And I'm just going to make these little marks. This is a heat friction pen. And I'm going to start my glue here and end my glue there. So then I'm just going to run a bead of hot glue around the edge. Like I said, you could use Fabri-Tac or tacky glue if you're doing this with smaller children. Oops. Then I'm just going to line it up. And press it down. Now I'm just going to set that off to the side to dry. So now we're just going to attempt to make our bow with our 12-inch piece of ribbon. So I'm just going to make a couple little bunny ears. I'm going to take the right loop and put it over the left loop. So it should look like that. This is my right loop. Here's the left loop, and you should have a little loop right here. I'm going to take this loop and put it through that hole. And then pull it tight. And then you just want to adjust it to the size you want it. So that looks good to me. Then I'm just going to put my little two tails together and clip them off at an angle. just like that. So now you just want to put your bow to the side for just a second and grab your egg again. So I just like to kind of fold down the front lip, and I'm going to add a little bit of glue to each of these sides. Next, I'm just going to grab my 8-inch piece of ribbon, and I'm going to line up the edge of my ribbon with the edge of my egg. So just like that. And then give that a nice press down. And then I'm just going to take my little bow and hot glue that right onto the top. And it's finished. It came together that quick and that easy, and it looks adorable. So now I'm just going to let this dry a second before I fill it with candy. So I just got a variety of candies at Walmart. And then you just want to stuff it in there. And you do want to be a little bit careful. The tool is kind of flimsy. You might poke a hole through it. Now the top kind of puckers out like that when it's full. So all I do is just push it down. And then it closes it right up. Isn't that cute? Now these don't hold a whole lot of candy, but I'm okay with that. I'm giving these to my honeys at work, and some of them have small children still. And I think this is the perfect small little gift to say I love you on Easter. Now as you can see, I've made quite a few of these, and each and every one turned out adorable. And for my special honey, they get a golden egg. Now I told you this was quick and easy. This would be a great project to do with kids with a little modifications. I hope you give this video a try. If you like this video and want to see more of my videos, go down below and hit that big red subscribe button. And give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions about this video or any of my other videos, don't forget to leave a comment. And as always, thanks for watching. Happy Easter. And I'll see you next time.